you're managing a brand online, you know that customer sentiment can change overnight. One day, your product is a bestseller. The next, a few negative reviews can start dragging your average rating down. If you're still clicking through product pages on Amazon, Walmart, or eBay to read reviews manually, you're fighting an uphill battle. Manual monitoring is slow, incomplete, and, let's be honest, impossible to scale across thousands of SKUs. By the time you spot a drop in sentiment, your sales have already taken a hit. There is a better way. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Apify's e-commerce scraping tool to automate this entire process. We're going to set up a workflow that monitors customer sentiment from e-commerce reviews, pairs it with product metadata, and helps you spot dissatisfaction before it affects your retention. First, head to the Apify store and search for the e-commerce scraping tool. Click on Try for free. There are multiple ways to scrape with this actor. You can input specific product URLs, entire category URLs, or even just keywords if you want to cast a wider net. For this tutorial, let's say we want to monitor reviews for a specific beauty product across sites like Walmart or Amazon. You don't have to just scrape beauty products. This actor can scrape any type of product from any industry, like tech products, clothes, and others. You'll simply paste the product URLs into the input field. There are more settings in the input which can help you to configure the actor to your liking, but we recommend watching our full tutorial on the e-commerce scraper if you want to learn more about those. Before you run the actor, it's always a great idea to save your configuration as a task. That way, you can schedule it, reuse it, or plug it into other tools later. Hit Start and let it run. You'll see results coming in under Overview, or check the Log tab if you want more detail. Once the run finishes, grab your data with the Export button. You can choose your desired format and select which fields you want to include or exclude in your output. Then, just hit Download, and you have your dataset file. Let me show you what this looks like in JSON format. You can also share the dataset via the Share button as a URL. It's handy if you want to share results with your team. So, the run is finished. Now, normally, this is where you start manually checking the data row by row. But you can build a pipeline that runs automatically. To do that, we're going to use integrations. So head to the Integrations tab in the Actor console. Search for Google Drive and select the Upload Results to Google Drive integration. This connects Apify directly to your cloud storage. Set the trigger to Run Succeeded. This ensures the data only sends when the scrape is successful. Next, choose XLSX as your format so it's ready for analysis immediately, and give your file a name like Sentiment Analysis Weekly. Now, every time the scraper runs, a fresh Excel sheet will appear in your drive automatically. And to make sure it does run, go to the top right and then hit Schedule. You can set this to run every Monday morning so your data is waiting for you when you log in. Now, for the analysis. You don't need to manually read thousands of rows. Open your new spreadsheet in Google Drive. If you're a Google Workspace user, you can use the Ask Gemini button right inside Sheets. You can treat the AI like a data analyst. Just ask it to summarize this data and break down sentiment by store. Gemini can instantly tell you that Amazon has the highest percentage of 5-star reviews, while Walmart is seeing a spike in complaints about shipping. You can even ask deeper questions like flag reviews where the text is negative but the rating is 5 stars, or identify the top 3 recurring complaints. This turns raw data into a sentiment dashboard in seconds without you writing a single formula. And just like that, you've turned a manual, reactive headache into a proactive data pipeline. Whether you are protecting your brand image or tracking competitor dissatisfaction to find market gaps, this tool gives you the structured view you need. If you want to try this yourself, Apify's free plan gives you $5 worth of credits, which is plenty to test this out. If you want to learn more about the e-commerce scraping tool, make sure to watch our full tutorial on it. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell to stay updated on new tutorials. So long, and thanks for all the likes.